All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman, checking out the 250 Grand Mariner. This one's equipped with a swim seat, 300 V8 Verado, buoy holders, the rear couch. This is a multi-function couch, sit forward or reverse, and it's got the three like pool style loungers with storage underneath. This is a side couch configuration. It does have tower speakers, equipped with a Go9 Simrad in the dash, as well as the analog gauges, full JL sound system. Again, your DTS throttle, push button start. This boat also has a raised helm, floor storage, front acrylic table, and the front couches. Check out this and many other Grand Mariners here at Lake Norman MarineMax.